Hello, and welcome to week one of our course. This is for EDU 455, and it is our transitioning course. I'm going to walk you guys through a couple things and just go over a little bit of information with you. I'm starting on the dashboard. And you should be able to see your course whenever you are logged in with your UVA WISE information. And you should see the course on there. So if by some chance you're having issues with that, I'll have some links and things that can help anytime you have some technical issues. But you will click on your course. And some of the things that I pull up may look slightly different from yours since I am in a teacher view instead of the student view. But you should be taken first to our homepage. And here I have my contact information and just a quick welcome video that kind of goes over a few of these things with you as well. The best way to get a hold of me is through email, and I have my email listed on there. I do also teach in a public school. So during the day, till at least 4 o'clock or later, I will be in class, typically Monday through Friday. I will try my best to respond to all emails as quickly as I can. I shoot for 24 hours. But if by some chance you haven't heard from me, just reach out again. And I will make sure to get back with you. I have my phone number listed as well. I just do ask that we kind of set up an appointment for that, especially, like I said, since I'm teaching during the day and, of course, have other responsibilities in the evenings as well, as I'm sure many of you are in the same boat and are in the classroom full time as well. So for our course, I know some of you, this may be new as we're used to the Moodle platform. There's a lot of similarities, but there are a few differences as well. But first you're taken to the home page. And then if you will notice over on the left, we have the announcements tab. You have your syllabus, modules, assignments, discussions, and grades. The other things listed on mine are not listed on yours, but you have what you need over on the left to help you navigate through the course. Please make sure that you look at the syllabus. If you will click here, it should pop up automatically in a reader, but you also can click over here and download if you would like to print it or just save it as well. Please look over, like I said, that information. One of the first assignments that you have will be a quick quiz just to kind of go over some of the basic information that is listed in the syllabus. The next thing I'm going to go over with you guys, you should see your modules. Like I said, it may look slightly different from mine, but you will have at the very top, you will have your welcome information. And I have it closed anytime you need to open it. Just kind of click over on the side and it'll open up the materials that go with that module. So the syllabus is listed here. You also have some welcome information. If you'll just click on that, kind of read through that information, just some basic things. Like I had already said, I will get back with you as soon as possible. I try to have assignments graded within 10 days. It is important that you are logging into the course and working on the assignments. We will have the assignments due every 2 weeks. So you can work on it anytime that fits your schedule during that time, but please adhere to the due dates. As I do have listed on here that if assignments are submitted after that time, they'll typically be a 5% deduction per day. And I know that things come up in our lives, and we all have lots of obligations outside of our courses. So if something does come up and you do have notice of it ahead of time, please just reach out to me, and we'll work on a solution together. Okay, so we'll go back to the modules. And module one, this is what you are going to be completing this week. When you click on it, remember it can expand or I can close it. You have at the beginning, I have the assignments listed and some information to go with that I've put on each module for you. I have noted on here that each of the assignments are going to be due on September the 25th at 11:59 p.m. So that is for all the assignments in this module. I do have some information listed for you to read through, some videos to watch. With each module, I typically have at least one PowerPoint presentation with some information for you. So please look through that. You do have a syllabus assignment that I had noted. So just kind of look over that, and it'll just help you be familiar with some of the basics there. And one of your first assignments I would like for you to complete is a class introduction. Um, like I said, all the assignments are due September 25th, but I would like for you to try to get that one a little sooner if possible. It's just going to help me get to know you and your classmates. That way we can kind of get to know each other, because in an online format, we don't have that face-to-face interaction. So this is one of the ways that we can get to know each other. And I do have listed on here the option to post a video introduction of yourself if you would like to do that and you feel comfortable doing that. But I also know some of you may not feel comfortable or may not have the tools to complete that. So if not, it's fine to just complete it by typing out your text. But I would like for you to add a picture if you go that route, just so that we can get a visual of everyone's faces that way. After that, you have a couple assignments in which you will need to use some information listed from the Virginia Department of Education with the disability categories. And then the last assignment for the module will be on the history of transition services. So if you have any questions or concerns while completing this, please reach out and let me know. I'll go back over here real quick for your modules. All the material you need is here. And when you click on each individual piece, you will have what you need, or you will have the Dropbox to upload something if you need to, or it will take you to the quiz. But if you have any questions at all, like I said, just reach out and I will do my best to help you. And I look forward to working with everyone, and take care. I'll talk to you soon.